How to fix ProductInfo bad image error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And the first workaround is run the DISM tool and SFSC scan tool. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. In command prompt window, execute these three DISM tool one by one. DISM tool scan health, check health and restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and after that execute SFC /scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, go to Windows settings and install Windows latest update. From the left pane, go to Windows update and click on check for updates. If any updates available, simply download and install it. After that, scan your system. Go to Windows search, type Windows security, open it. Here from the left pane, go to privacy, virus and threat protection and choose scan options. Here choose full scan and finally click on scan now. It will scan your system for any malware attack and repair them accordingly. The next workaround to fix this issue is press Win+R shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command box type msconfig, open it and system configuration windows will open. Here go to services tab and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and choose disable all. Thereafter go to a startup and choose open task manager, and also if you found any enabled startup options, simply manually disable it, right click on it and choose disable one by one for all the startup apps. After that, go to again system properties windows, configuration windows and go to boot options and choose save boot, clean boot your system. Click on apply and then OK to save the changes and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to run and type RSTRUI to open system restore window. A starting system restore. Here restore system files and settings, choose next, choose a system restore point and click on next. Finally confirm your restore point, click on finish to restore system to the previous state where your computer is in good condition. Again go to Windows settings, from the left pane go to system, from the right side choose recovery, reset this PC. This is the last option. Choose reset and choose keep my files. Remove apps and settings but keeps your personal data. Choose this option and follow on screen instruction to reset your Windows 11 10 PC in Windows 11 and 10. That's all.